In this video, we are going to learn how to blend paint. It's a very popular technique that can take your furniture to that next level. Let me walk you through the steps of how to do this. You will be blending like a pro once you practice this blending technique for yourself. We are starting with these modern end tables that were dirty but in pretty good shape. We will need to do the usual prep work like cleaning and removing the hardware. Normally, you won't need to sand with chalk paint, but if you look closely here, there's parts that are peeling. In this case, you have to sand, at least lightly. Since this is a laminate furniture, I'm going to need some help from Slick Stick. I'm using a roller to apply this to make things faster. I ended up using 2 coats of Slick Stick, and that was it for the prep work. And now we can get to blending. A few simple things to help you when blending. Have a water bottle. Have a separate brush for each color and one brush for blending. If you're a beginner, I strongly suggest you stick to easy colors to blend, like white and gray, white and blue. White will blend with any color out there. Try to avoid colors like blue and green, hot pink and orange. Leave that for later on when you become a pro. I'm blending apricot and fluff, so a peach and a white. When you blend, you want to keep the paint wet. To make this easier, work in sections. I'm adding fresh paint up to my blend line. I have one separate brush for each color. As soon as you got both colors, you want to wet the paint and start blending it with your blending brush. You can grab small amounts of paint if you feel you need to add more color to it. What I do is clean my blending brush after each section. And what I do for an even smoother look, come the second time after my first blend dries completely. You basically wet the paint and repeat the process again. Coming back the second time will make a huge difference. So when you think you're done with blending, let it dry completely, come back, spray some more water on the blending part and go over it again. That will put your blending to perfection. Just try it. And now you repeat that process everywhere. You can see here, I let it dry and I'm going to do it again with my blending brush. You can actually do this as many times as you want. And remember, you can add any of the colors back if you want to. Here is what the blend looked when it was dry, nice and smooth. And that is the goal. You want your blend to be nice and smooth. Okay, so at this point, I wanted to add stencil and gold and whatnot to these tables, but I had to remind myself that some things are better simple and smooth and clean. Simple and clean. Kacha, calm down. I had to calm myself down. For the hardware, I used Slick Stick again. The hardware was sleek and shiny, so I wanted to make sure my gemstone mousse is going to stick to it. I let the Slick Stick dry and came back with gemstone mousse. That is a nice and gold. We're almost done. Now we just need some protection. I'm going with clear coat. It's hard to see, but when you open it, you might see some swirls. Make sure you mix that really good until it goes away. For extra protection, you can add extra layers of top coat. I ended up using 2 coats of protection for these tables. I added the hardware back on and they were done. I really love these tables. They look so fresh, clean, and just nice and warm. So, what do you guys think? Are you excited to try blending? Or do you already know how to blend like a pro? With this blend, I created my own kind of sunshine in these cold and dark days in the winter. We all need some sunshine. Sometimes it's always good to go back to the basics and just do those basic techniques that we all started from. And I really had fun blending these colors. Apricot is one of my favorite colors, by the way. I really hope you liked this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and subscribe if you haven't already. I will see you next time with new project and more ideas. Bye, everybody. Bye, guys. Bye, bye. Bye, bye. Bye, bye, bye. Bye, bye. Bye, bye.